Are you looking for new activities to do with your child to see if they can follow step by step directions? Perhaps they like insects and maybe they want to draw them. Well, if so, today is the video for you. Keep watching to learn more. Hi, mamas. Amy Baez, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Before we get into it today, I just want to remind you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you feel inspired to do so. Recently, I posted a video that had 5 figure-8 play sheets, and they were super popular. So I thought I would create something different for you that has some of the same benefits. You are going to be working on some eye-hand coordination, some visual motor skills, but instead of working on crossing midline, we're working on following written directions. What I love about doing activities like this in terms of following step-by-step directions is you get to see how well your child is paying attention to the details. When they are asked to draw something, can they follow prepositional phrases? Can they remember the specific number they're supposed to do? These skills are very important and they transfer into their homework and schoolwork. So today I have some handy little play sheets for you to work on following directions and drawing skills all at the same time. What I have is a series of 4 opportunities to draw insects in 4-step directions. Each of these activity sheets has the same exact body form. And you're going to follow the 1, 2, 3, 4 steps in order to see what creature you are creating. In this activity set, we have Bumblebee, Butterfly, Dragonfly, and Fly. Each of these activities are very similar, but they have different directions for each one. So it's 4 opportunities for your child to try out something new. What I love about this activity is that it's really great for your child to practice following directions. It is challenging for them to learn how to follow different steps if they are a child who has some difficulty with processing information. So this is a nice way to take things step by step and make it a little bit easier by giving them the form first to start with. Our first activity is going to be the Bumblebee. To draw the Bumblebee, you're going to follow 4 steps. Number 1, head. Draw a face inside the head with 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Number 2, body. Draw 5 lines across the inside of the body. 3, wings. Draw a large C attached to the left side of the body, starting where the head meets the body and ending at the bottom. Repeat the right side with a backwards C. 4, details. Draw a V attached to the bottom of the body to form a stinger. The next activity is a butterfly. To draw a butterfly in 4 steps, 1, you'll start with the head. Draw a face inside the head with 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. 2, body. Draw 5 lines across the inside of the body. 3, wings. Draw a large 3 attached to the right side of the body, starting where the head meets the body. Repeat on the left side with a backwards 3. 4, details. Draw tiny circles inside each of the 4 parts of the wings, or choose your own design. The next activity is Dragonfly. To draw a dragonfly, you're going to start with the head. You're going to draw a face inside the head with 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. For the wings, you're going to start at the top left side of the body, draw an oval outward, starting where the head meets the body. Draw another oval underneath the wing. Repeat on the right side of the body. 3, body. Draw a long, skinny rectangle down, starting at the bottom of the body to form a lower body. Details. Draw 6 lines across the inside of the lower body. Our last activity is the fly. To draw a fly in 4 steps, number 1, head. Draw 2 circles inside the head at the top of the circle to form eyes. The circle should be large. across from each other. 2. Body. Draw 4 lines across the bottom half of the body. 3. Wings. At the top left side of the body, draw an oval out and down, starting where the head meets the body. Repeat on the right side of the body. Details. Number 4. Inside each wing, draw a line down the middle and add branches. There you have it, guys. You have your 4 flying insects and how to draw them in 4-step directions. I hope you really liked this activity. It was fun for me to create. I can't wait to keep practicing these ideas with my little patients, and I hope that you practice it with your child at home. Did you like this video? I hope that you did. If you found it helpful, I want you to make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video down below, and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to go to playapy.com where you will find the option to sign up for the newsletter where you can receive news and discounts and extra information like blog posts and more. And you can also check out Playapy's PALS handwriting program. So I hope to see you there. And until the next video, have a playful day.